Oh, hi. I was just completing a Teaching Beyond the Podium podcast activity.
I know that everyone who listens to our podcast really cares about teaching and creating a great experience for their students.
This is one of the several activities I can attend within the Passport to Great Teaching program. The program was developed by the Center for Teaching Excellence here at UF. It allows new and seasoned faculty, TAs, and GAs to build their own professional development teaching certificates based on a wide variety of workshops and activities, essentially allowing them to travel wherever they want. CTE's face-to-face workshops are offered year-round at Bryant Space Science Center, which is conveniently located in the center of campus right across from the hub. These engaging and interactive workshops cover diverse teaching topics, facilitated by instructors all over campus. After you complete a workshop, you will earn miles towards your certificate, which you can track with your teaching passport. Interested? Registration is easy. Head to teach.ufl.edu and hover over the Passport to Great Teaching tab. Click on Begin Your Passport Journey and read through each step. Then decide which certificate you want to sign up for in the accordion drop-down list. Each certificate track will tell you how many miles are required, which of those miles go toward core activities, and which ones go toward elective activities. When you're ready to sign up, click on the Passport portal link to enter the registration tool. Select your certificate and you're well on your way to becoming a world traveler. Now, I'm finishing up my certificate with an online asynchronous workshop.
Regardless of whether you are communicating with one student or many, or whether you are...
After completing your certificate, you can show it off on your LinkedIn profile through Accredible. So I gave you enough information to get started, but what if you have questions about other elements in the program like category badges, registering for activities, and faculty learning communities? Head to our Passport to Great Teaching FAQ webpage for more details and information on all the elements within the Passport program. Thanks for joining me on my journey. Now it's time to start yours.